Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create object in Typescript. So we have a different options for object here. One by one we learn. So first of all, we can declare object like we declare in JavaScript. So we say const, and here I say student, then equal to, and then here we say name. I say Dr. Vipin classes or Dr. Vipin Tevatia. Then we can create roll number, and we can say the roll number is 1. Then we can say course, then we can say course is PhD, and we put here comma also. So that's way we can declare object by one way, and that we can say that's a implicit decretion of data type. Implicit property declaration. Implicit means, suppose by default this data type is string, this is number, this is a string. So we are not assigning, but the value is this. Now later on, if I want to change, I say name equal to this. You see generating error. Why? Because data type is a string, so it's not possible. So one way is that, and we can use console.log to print all the information that is available in student object. Now we can run this file on, you can say, watch mode like that, and we can try to see the output here, node object type, and this is the output. Another way to declare this object in Typescript is with explicit data type. So we can say that student1, then here we have this colon, then we have a curly bracket, and here we specify that name would be of string type, roll number would be of number type, and we specify that course would be of string type, then equal to, and then we initialize. We can initialize like this. We say here Sachin Kumar or Sachin Tevatia like this. Then we say roll number of 2. Then we say course of MTech like that. Save this, and now we can display this student1. Save this, and we try to compile this again. You see we have the same result. So this is the way of declaring an object in Typescript with explicit declaration of properties. Now here also, if we try to change the property, we say student1.name, and I try to pass some number, then it will generate error. Same, both are same. Now one more way we have to declare an object, like I say I have a constant car, and in this car I say I have a name of car that would be of a string type, and then we have a mileage of number type, and then I try to create here only name, and I say name is Swift like this. And now you see that car having an error, and I want to display this but we will have a error. I save it and we have the error. Thus you cannot ignore this mileage is also declared. So you see that, but I don't have a value to give to this particular mileage right now. I want to give later on. After doing this, I want to give the mileage here. I say 20. Here I want to give the mileage, but I don't want to give, or I don't want to initialize it here. So but it will generate error because you have initialized this property. So such kind of optional properties, we may have a question mark like that and we save it. So you see that this mileage have a question mark. That means it's an optional property. If we are not specifying this property here, it would not generate error, but later on we can pass the value whenever we require. If it doesn't require, then it would not show any error. It will ignore it because it would be optional. Now if I display this, you will see that running without any problem. So this is the third way with optional properties. We also have another way, that with index signatures. So suppose I create one more object of employee type, and here what I do, I specify that index would be of a string type and the value of that would be of a string type, like that, remember, and that would be of empty type. We are not able to initialize the value. Remember that I have an object, but I am not able to initialize it. I am not able to decide that what kind of value I am going to store here. Sometimes we fetch information from the JSON and we doesn't know what is the data type. Now what we will do now, so we can specify such kind of index signature that it can store all kind of value. How it will store? Just I show you that. Suppose I have employee of name, so I can pass here Dr. Vipin classes of string type. Now again I want to pass this value. I say employee ID, so I say EID 10. Again if I say this is the value and I just play this console.log and I say employee, save this. If you try to run, you will see that it's working perfectly without any problem. We can increase one more property, any property which you want. We can increase employee dot, suppose I say department DPT, that would be of CS department, like this. Then I run it again. We have this property also. So can we store number here? If we declare one more variable, I say salary. Can I declare this salary? No. Why? Because it's a string type. So that is not possible here. But we may have any type of a string type of all the value like this. These names we are just searching after that. We have a number. So like that we can also create object in Typescript. So we have learned here in this video that number of ways to declare objects: object with implicit property, object with explicit property data type, and object with the optional properties, and object with index signatures. So like this we can declare number of ways the objects in Typescript. And that's all in this video. If you learned something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.